Hi, this is Mrs. Bucci. Welcome to our slideshow.
Hi, Bulldogs. My name is Mrs. Bucci, and I'll be your second grade teacher. I am really looking forward to this year. We will have a wonderful time learning new things from each other, making new friends, getting to know each other and respect each other's first mistakes. I want to show you what I'm going to look like sometimes, because this year we'll wear masks. So, my mask looks like this. Sometimes I might also wear a face shield. Let me give you a little tour of our room. When you come in our classroom, this is our door. I will be seeing you on September the 8th. That's Tuesday. Our room number is 2219. In our classroom, you'll each have your own locker. We have mailboxes in the back, and you will put your folders in there when you get to school. Our theme this year is Jeeps. So I have decorated your desks to look like little Jeeps in our classroom. I also put some supplies on top of your desk that'll be ready for you when you get here. In our classroom, we have a sink for washing our hands, and we'll have a couple of stations where we'll have some hand sanitizer. Books are one of my favorite things, so we'll have plenty of books. I picked this one special for the beginning of the year because it has to do with a Jeep. Sheep in a Jeep. Second graders, I look forward to seeing your faces sitting behind your Jeep as we go explore in second grade. So I will see you Tuesday, September 8th in room 2219. Bye.
Thank you very much.